by and take a look at the 2022 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.